Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Another bad hair day and I need to get a haircut again. Anywho, God, oh my God, it's a hot mess as usual. We are getting into my one and done tutorial. So I just got done doing a quad focus of this, so I'm gonna do one and done with this. Go with one shade of each, see how it comes out. I want to see how versatile this can be, which is using one shadow from the quad. Actually got this as well, the Givenchy Prisme Libra Mussolini Acidule. I think that's how it is. I don't know French. That's the French for you. But I got number 4, which has the lavender, the green, the peach, and then like the yellow. So I'm gonna try this as well. I've got the mini size. I'm excited. I will still continue to use these foundations. I mean, I don't know. I like the fact that I look tan when I use both of them. And I will still continue to use the Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush palettes. So I do want to see how well I could accumulate. I forgot I had foundation on the back of this one. I'm going to clean the floor anyways. But I will continue to use these with this quad focus so we can kind of see how beautiful they are. Without further ado, let me go and prep my eyes and we will get into this tutorial. And if you guys hear the wind or the rain, it is really windy and raining. So yeah. Ooh, did I do my brows? Yes, I did. So let me go and get my eyes ready and prepped, and then we will get right into this tutorial. So yeah. All right, so the eyes are prepped with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eyeshadow Primer. Still going strong with that one, I hope. But I think I have to like spend like 90 euros to get it delivered here to the Netherlands. Struggle's real. I do miss Sephora and I do miss having a lot of brands available. So without further ado, let's get into this. I think today I really want to start off with Extreme Nocturne, Plum Nocturne today. Passion Fleur quad. So I did what, 6 tutorials of the quad focus. So now this is going to be a one and done, which I'm gonna transition right into a one and done series of some quads. So I just want to see how much impact I could get on this, because it's been a while since I've seen like a full-on just all matte type of look on anybody's channel. Yeah, you can hear the rain. When the rain pours down. And then getting my fluffy brush and just blowing that out. And just add up the intensity as usual. Nothing new, nothing special, nothing amazing. But I think I'm gonna go in with some black. Really smoke it up. There we go. And just blend it out. And for these ingredients being imported from the US or US import and stuff like that, this is actually really swell. Oh, sorry, my bad. Swell. Because typically the ones made in Italy are a lot better, but these are actually not too bad. Stepping it up, US imported. Perfect. And I just love how you just literally can build up her mattes to the intensity you want. And this is such a beautiful plum. Oh, getting it right on the bone. Perfect. Let me do the other eye and then we will continue. All right, so this is where we are at. It got a little dirty, obviously, because I have hooded eyes. But I do want it smoky. So this is where we are at. I'm gonna go ahead and continue it down there. I went ahead and curled my lashes. Dark Star mascara. And I went ahead and used the PermaGel liner in extreme black on my waterline and also along just the top up here to give the smoky effect. And you guys just missed it because it was just pouring down rain. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the highlighter from one of the Diamond and Glow palettes as my brow highlight. So it's gonna be very, very smoky and sultry, which I'm excited about. But I think for this look, do I want to go with the citrus or the Daria? Let me go in with the Daria. Is it Daria? Which is more of that cool tone one, which is going to be this one. So, and I think for the brow highlight, I'll do the diamond powder, or maybe the extreme glow extreme. I'll do the diamond powder and glow extreme mixed together, just to get some sultriness on this eye. Ooh, she's cute. She's coming in hot, feisty, sultry, perfect. I'm going in with the fluffy brush again, just to get that plum nocturne blended out. But yeah, so this is where we are at. I will see you guys in a moment with the finished look. Ooh, okay. So see you guys in a moment. All right, so this is where we are at. I figured I'd go ahead and do a demo applying this. So I'm gonna go with the Duo Glow, which is gonna be this one. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and add that on first. Oh gosh, why do? It's just so gorge, so freaking gorge, Gorgina. Perfect. I mean, what if this thing was called Gorgina? Oh my gosh, that would have been amazing. Marketing. Perfect. That is on. Now let me go in with the bronzer. I'm gonna go in with the Bronze Goddess from Estee Lauder. This is the deep. Is this the deep? Yeah, this is the deep. I also have Max Blunt, which I completely forgot I had. But I mean, let's do it this way. So you can kind of see. Let me do the Blunt by MAC actually. It's been a while. It's been a hot minute. And then just go ahead and, ooh. Okay, she was cute. Add some color. There we go. Add some definition. I did order the bronzers from Pat McGrath. So I will be doing a full face with that. I got Bronze Dawn, and Desert Glow. So we'll see how that is. Got to take care of the real estate up here. Oh, I think that might be too much. And then more real estate over here. It is what it is. I went ahead and did my brows with Benefit's Gimme Brow. So that is done. Oh, I think I did a little too much. Blend, blend, blend. It's all about the blending. Perfect. Yep, and the sun's kind of popping out. There we go. Now next, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with, should I do the cream blush? Let me do the cream blush first. Oh, she's like a cool tone pink. Oh, I like that. Oof. Oof, she's sultry. Oh, that is just so beautiful. Because from here, Going in with the blush brush from Pat McGrath, going into the powder blush and just, I love this baby pink. This combination with the glow. I mean, can you guys, oh, gorgeous. All right, let me go ahead and finish up the rest of my face. Let me go ahead and do my lips, which is probably still going to be the Dior. What am I talking about? Maybe. It is going to be the Dior. And we will get right back to this final look. So this is where we are at, and I'm applying the lipstick. I actually don't know if Dior has these anymore, but the application is just so good. Because I used a pointy to line my lips. Just fill in the rest with it. So, this is the final look. I am living for this. I love a good nude. This is, I mean, that highlighter, everything, it's very sultry. Obviously, it is a little bit patchy in some areas, but it's a matte. And honestly, most mattes get patchy. But I mean, just a little bit here is a little bit patchy in some areas. But overall, I'm living for it. And that is the rain kicking in. So I went ahead and set my face with the Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, because why not? I did use a little bit of the Givenchy setting powder, which I actually do like a lot on the face. But I also went ahead and did, what else did I do? Added a little bit more blush, so it's a little bit more intense. I do love this foundation because when it sets, it's actually a very, very beautiful matte. But I already know if I were to wear this throughout the whole day. So the reality of this is I keep this look on for the pictures and that's it, and I take it off. But that's the rain. It is raining, man. Of course, this look would not be complete without Pale Fire Nectar Opulous Gloss. Like, I am just, who is she? Oh, anyways, the foundation, it's actually a beautiful matte, but I could already see the creasing from my smile lines, especially right here, my forehead. So, I already know throughout the day it would definitely really crease. But overall, because I don't really like to use a lot of powders to set my foundation, because that will really, this is natural lighting, that will really, let's turn it down a little bit, there we go. Powder really obviously takes up a lot of the the moisture, is that the right word I'm looking for? A little bit of the moisture from the, put on a little too much, from the foundation, and which obviously will start to dry out. So even when I do weddings, a lot of my clients, models, I really don't do that much powder because I want the foundation to look very real, very skin-like, which is, trust me, I've been doing makeup for 20 years. It took time to get it to that point. But overall, I love this quad. It's a great end of the summer into spring, especially with this Plum Nocturne. I mean, whoo, child. We are getting into it. So, obviously, we have 3 more looks to go with this quad focus. I would love to do the Cream Extreme Glow and then use this to kind of like give a really smoky, dramatic look. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Obviously, 3 more to come, and I will see you next video. Mwah.